So this class I am starting the regression line concept. So what is a regression line? So what is a formula of the regression line? That is a very important part. So regression line. So what is a formula of regression line? So here consider two type data is there. That meaning x values and y values is data is there. This x value and y value you need the form the line equation. So already you know the line equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is called a line equation. You want to form the given two data and you form this format. Otherwise y equal to, so what is the value of the remaining one? You want to consider this form. So okay, how to find the formula or how to calculate this concept, very important. Here two lines, one is y on x, another one is x on y. Two line format is there. Okay, one is called a y on x, another one is called a x on y. So two different formula is there. Therefore, I am explain the first formula. Regression line. So regression line y on x. Regression line y on x. So it is a formula y minus y bar equal to r into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x into x minus x bar. This all notation you know. See, x bar meaning mean of y. This is x bar meaning mean of x. Sigma x and sigma y is a standard deviation on x and y. R is already completed the previous topic, is a correlation between the x and y. This is a formula y on x. The same formula is written as another format y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. This is another format. Okay, this is another format. This byx is called a regression coefficient on y on x. This byx is called a regression coefficient on y on x. Y on x. Okay. So what is the value of byx? Byx is a formula of this one. Byx is a formula of this one. Therefore, byx equal to r into sigma y divided by sigma x. This is a basic simplification and end up result some changes formula in byx. Byx equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n into summation x squared minus summation x the whole squared. This is a formula on regression line coefficient y on x. Okay. Then what is the formula here? Y on x, y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. That byx is called a regression coefficient y on x. This formula can be written as two format r into sigma y by sigma x, and also another formula summation n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by summation n into summation x squared minus summation x the whole square. This is the first part, y on x formula. Same idea, what is a formula of same idea? What is a formula of x on y? Okay, what is a formula of x on y? Regression line. So regression line x on y formula. So what is a formula meaning here? Same idea, x minus x bar equal to r into sigma x divided by sigma y. Okay, sigma x divided by sigma y into y minus y bar. Okay, so same concept here. Note that byx, but here is note that this value is replaced by bxy. Therefore the x and y equation can be written as another format: x minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar. This byx is called a regression coefficient on y on x. Here x, therefore x on y. Here x, therefore x on y. This notation is called a regression coefficient x on y. What is the formula of bxy? The bxy, same result idea for byx. Then here same idea bxy. Numerator same, denominator only change. Okay, numerator same only. N into xy minus summation x summation y divided by n into summation y square minus summation y the whole square. Same idea byx formula, but small changes, denominator only which change. Denominator only you want change. Okay, then what is another formula? So another formula r into sigma x divided by sigma y is called a another formula. Total two formula is there. One is this one and another one is this one. This is very important for the calculus purpose. So next I am moving the problem. Find question. Find a regression line. Find a regression line x on y and y on x. Y on x for the following data. So what is a part of the following data? What is the values here? X and y value. X value 10, 12, 15, 20, 23. And y value 14, 17, 23, 21, 35. This is x value and y value. So what is the question here? X on y and y on x. Both values are you want to find that. So first write the all formulas. Then I move to the table. Table is very important. Table you put that column. That's a very important. So first you write the formula. Then only idea is clear. So what is here? Y on x formula. Y on x formula here. Then what is the formula? Y on x? Y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. Then what is the value of byx? Byx equal to n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n into summation x squared minus summation x the whole square. This is formula on y on x. Similarly, we can write the x on y formula. Again, write x on y. Then what is the formula here? X minus x bar equal to bxy into y minus y bar. Okay. So where bxy formula? Bxy equal to n into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n into summation y squared minus summation y the whole square. This is a formula. Okay, how to form the table? Using this formula, you need the value of summation x value, summation y value, the given data. Next, multiple of summation xy. Therefore, you want to multiply the of xy next column, and also we need the x squared value, and also here also you need the y squared value. Therefore, I form the table very easy way. Is a given data x, y. Next, I need the multiplication of xy, and also I need that x squared and y squared. This is a table value. So what is the table values here? Table value 10, 12, 15, 20, 23 is a x value, and y value 14, 17, 23, 21, 35. Then we need submit here all values in column wise. Then easy way calculation 10, 12, 15, 20, 23. And also what is the y values here? 14, 17, 23, 21 and 35. This is x value and y value. So just add, because I need the total all totals. Therefore I need the add. This summation is called a sum of x, and this summation is called a sum of y. Sorry, sum of y. And this summation after completed calculation, this summation is called a summation xy, and end of result this one is summation x squared, and this one is summation y squared. Therefore, what is the sum of the result here? 10 plus 12 plus 15 plus 20 plus 23. Maybe using in calculator in exam call is getting the end of result because I know the all calculation in my hand. Therefore, I am putting directly
50.
80. Okay, thank you. The same idea for y. So y is maybe 110. Please check that this is a y value. This is a y value. So next how to multiply 10 into 14, 12 into 17, 15 into 23, 20 into 21, 23 into 35. Then what is the calculation here? 10 into 14 is 140. 12 into 17 is 204. 15 into 23. 15 into 23 is 345. 20 into 21 is 420. And 23 into 35 means 805. Thus overall value, that overall value 1914. So next calculation x squared. X squared means 10 square, 12 square, 15 square. Same way for all data. Then what is x squared value? 10 squared is 100, 12 squared is 144, 15 squared is 225, and 20 squared is 400, 23 squared is 529. This is a calculation of this corresponding square. This is a corresponding square. Then next step you want to add the all data. This x squared value 100 plus 144 plus 225 plus 400 plus 525. The x squared sum of the value is 1398. 1398. Similarly, we want to find that y squared. So how to calculate y squared meaning 14 squared, 17 squared, 23 squared, 21 squared, 35 squared. So entry here all the values here, and then what is the result here? 196 14 squared, 17 squared is 289, and the next 23 squared is 529, 21 squared is 441, and next 35 squared, 35 squared is 1225, 1225. So what is the end of summation? The summation result is 2680. Please check that using calculator uh, and complete this work. Now I am using formula. So I need that x bar and y bar value. So you know the formula. X bar equal to summation x by n, and y bar is also summation y by n. This is basic formula. And n, how many data is item is there? How many items is there? Check that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 item values is there. Therefore n value is equal to 5. N value is equal to 5. So first of all you want to find summation x value, summation y value. So already done. Therefore x bar, y bar values is completed. Then after that you want calculation separately pyx concept, byx concept, and bxy concept. Then move to the main equation. Therefore I check that x bar value. X bar equal to summation x by n that is equal to 80 by n value is already given, is a 5, then that is equal to, so how much, x bar equal to 16, x bar equal to 16. Similarly, we can find the y bar equal to summation y by n, that is equal to 110 divided by 5, that is equal to 22, that is equal to 22. So now we want to find the pyx. The pyx, again to write the formula. What is the formula pyx? N into summation xy minus summation x into summation y divided by n into summation x squared minus summation x the whole square. Summation x the whole square. Then what is the result here? That is equal to n values you know 5. 5 into summation xy. Summation xy value 1914. 1914. Let's put here 1914 minus summation x into summation y. Summation x into summation y means 8010. Both values you want to put here multiplication 80 into 110 divided by summation 5 into summation x squared. Sum of the x squared value 1398. 1398 minus summation x the whole square. This is summation x value. Therefore, summation x the whole square means 80 the whole square. This value is called here pyx. Then you want to simplify all calculation pyx. You want to simplify all calculation. The end of result using calculator. You want to simplify scientific calculator is getting the end of result is this calculation value 1.305. Please check that using calculator and easily get that pyx equal to 1.305. Similarly, we can find the pxy value. Pxy equal to same numerator concept n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by n into here y square, not for x square, y square minus summation y the whole square. Then you want to simplify, that is equal to n value 5. So numerator is same idea for previous one. Therefore, I want to put directly 1914 minus 80 into 110. Only denominator is changed. Therefore, I am seeing only denominator. Summation y squared value 2680. Last one 2680 is summation y squared value. Therefore, I here putting here 5 into 2680 minus summation y squared value this one, summation y the whole squared value this one. Therefore, 110 whole square. Therefore, simplify this one pxy. The end of result is using scientific calculator is ending getting last result 0.592. 0.592. Please using calculator and check this result is correct or not. Therefore, pyx done and pxy done. Now I am moving to that y on x formula. Regression line. First line regression line y on x. Then what is the formula first to write? Y minus y bar equal to byx into x minus x bar. Y minus y bar. So y bar result is 22. This is called it y bar. This is called it x bar. 22 16. Therefore, I am putting here 22 equal to pyx value. Pyx value, the first one 1.305. 1.305 into x minus x bar. X bar value 16. X bar value 16. So, complete your calculation. This is on to y on x concept. Therefore, I need y on x. Y minus 22 equal to 1.305 x, just inside bracket multiply, just inside bracket multiply, then 1.305 into 16. Then using calculator this calculation because a decimal place, then what is the end of result here? Also 22. So after that complete this calculation, this 22 moving also this side, then end of result using calculator, therefore end of result in this y and x concept 1.305 x x plus 1.22 1.12 plus 1.12. This equation is called a y on x. This equation is called a y on x. Similarly, we can find x on y. What is the line equation? X on y. You know the equation x minus x bar equal to pxy into y minus y bar. So x minus x bar already done the previous work 16 equal to this result 0.592. Pxy result 0.592. This one. Therefore, I am putting here 0.592. 0.592 into y minus y bar. Y bar value 22. So same calculation. This one is inside bracket multiply and simplify. Then end of calculation you move to 16 in this side. After that, the complete the end of result x equal to 0.592 into y. This constant term you simplify that constant term plus 2.976. This is called a x on y. This line equation is called a x on y.